Welcome to a fascinating journey into the world of medical innovation and breakthroughs. In today's video, we're diving deep into a topic that holds immense promise for revolutionizing cancer treatment: cancer vaccines. Cancer has long been a formidable adversary, affecting millions of lives around the globe. But as our understanding of immunology and cellular biology evolves, so does our approach to tackling this complex disease. Enter cancer vaccines, an innovative strategy that harnesses the power of the immune system to target and eliminate cancer cells. In this video, we'll unravel the science behind cancer vaccines, exploring their different types, mechanisms of action, and the incredible potential they hold for not only treating but potentially preventing certain cancers. From personalized therapies to groundbreaking clinical trials, join us as we uncover the latest advancements that are paving the way for a new era in cancer care. Whether you're a medical enthusiast, a patient, or simply curious about the future of healthcare, you're in for an eye-opening experience. So, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's embark on this illuminating expedition into the realm of cancer vaccines. Looking to take your fitness journey to the next level? Look no further. Introducing Bulksupplements.com, your ultimate destination for premium quality supplements at unbeatable prices. From bodybuilders to health enthusiasts, Bulksupplements.com has been trusted by thousands to deliver top-notch products that support your fitness goals. Our supplements are sourced from the finest ingredients and rigorously tested for purity, ensuring you get only the best for your body. With fast shipping and hassle-free returns, getting your hands on the supplements you need has never been easier. Join the Bulksupplements.com community today and experience the difference. Get ready to elevate your fitness game and unleash your full potential. Don't miss out on exclusive offers and promotions. Visit Bulksupplements.com now and take the first step towards a healthier, stronger, and happier you. Use my personal link in the description section of this video and the discount word at checkout and save 5% on your first order. Disclaimer: this video and description may contain affiliate links. That means I might get paid a commission, at no additional cost to you, if you click on one of the links and buy something. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps us to continue making quality medical videos for you. Thank you. Olivera Finn had access to cancer research advisors and a brand new immunology doctorate at Stanford University in the early 1980s. She hoped to merge the two fields and discover a strategy for the body's immune system to combat cancer. According to Dr. Finn, who is currently a distinguished professor of immunology and surgery at the University of Pittsburgh, at the time, cancer immunology was not even accepted as a science. People were aware that the immune system could defend you against bacteria and viruses. However, they were unaware of how cancer fit into it. Dr. Finn is preparing to start a study on local women diagnosed with ductal carcinoma in situ, DCIS, a non-invasive, extremely early stage of breast cancer, to test her notion of a cancer vaccine. This comes after decades of research, vaccine development, and clinical trials. The ladies will be given a vaccine that she developed over the course of 40 years in the hopes that their bodies will produce an immune response capable of battling cancer cells if they spread or relapse. As a medical oncologist at UPMC and an assistant professor at the University of Pittsburgh School of Medicine who is also working on the study, Julia Foldy said, "We're very early in its development, but our hope is that, if the vaccine can really arm our own immune system to fight a future cancer, maybe these women won't need the anti-hormone therapy that's quite toxic, or that we can offer less invasive treatment in terms of surgery and radiation. Perhaps some ladies don't require any therapy for DCIS. The ideal dream would be that." The Wexford-based Glimmer of Hope Foundation provided the study with $100,000 in seed money, which will pay for the first 10 patients and allow Dr. Finn to proceed while seeking additional financing. With the help of an upcoming funding from the Breast Cancer Research Foundation, the study will be able to enroll a total of roughly 50 local women. Dr. Finn discovered a material typical of cancer cells that can trigger an immunological response in the late 1980s at Duke University. This substance was an aberrant variation of the protein MUC1. She and her research partner Michael Lotz at Pitt created a MUC1-based vaccination in the 1990s and started the much-publicized first clinical trial of a non-virus-based cancer vaccine. Existing cancer vaccines take aim at viruses like the human papillomavirus that are known to cause cancer. Dr. Finn was only able to administer the vaccination to patients with advanced cancer who had run out of other choices due to the vaccine's experimental nature and unknown safety record at the time. The patients' immune systems had been repressed by intensive cancer treatments, thus even while it did elicit an immunological response, the experiment did not show much success in battling cancer. Dr. Finn remarked, "It taught us a lot about the immune status of cancer patients. It caused the field to shift toward early disease. It's already too late for a vaccine once you have cancer." Dr. Finn recognized the vaccine needed to be tested on healthy patients, but the federal government wouldn't permit the testing of a vaccine until it had been shown to be safe, so there followed a bit of a waiting game. "It almost had to be a political act," she remarked. "The FDA had to certify that it was safe without a doubt. We were unable to randomly vaccinate a toddler, teenager, or someone who was otherwise healthy since we were unsure of its long-term safety." Dr. Finn and her research colleagues were gradually given permission to test the vaccine on individuals who were less ill as a decade passed without any negative side effects. She started a modest clinical trial at UPMC evaluating a colon cancer vaccination on patients who had just had advanced polyps removed about 15 years ago. That trial had a double-blind, placebo-controlled design and included more than 100 patients in 7 facilities around the U.S. Published in May were mixed results. Only 25% of those who received the vaccine experienced an immunological reaction, probably because their immune systems had already responded to the polyps, but those who did had a 38% lower risk of cancer recurrence than those who received a placebo. And the other good news is that the vaccine still appears to be safe after many years of clinical studies. Other cancer vaccination trials are gaining momentum around the nation as a result of the government's improved willingness to permit testing of cancer vaccines in healthier populations and other advancements in vaccine development. The first patient in a University of Pennsylvania research evaluating a breast cancer vaccination in those with the breast cancer gene has just received the shot. Breast cancer vaccinations are also being tested in further clinical trials at the Cleveland Clinic and the University of Washington. Patients in the next breast cancer clinical trial in Pittsburgh will be treated for DCIS, or malignant lumps that have not moved outside the breast ducts and are frequently found through screening mammography since they are too small to even feel. Although DCIS is a stage that is frequently referred to as stage 0 or precancer, it is nonetheless treated with surgery, radiation, and occasionally hormone therapy because it has the potential to progress into invasive breast cancer. Following diagnosis, people taking part in the vaccination experiment will receive 3 doses spaced out over a 10-week period. This is the same shot regimen utilized to treat colon cancer in the first trial. Following a check to see if an immune response has developed, patients will have surgery and additional therapies. At 12 weeks from diagnosis, we will know everything that we need to know about how they responded to the vaccine, claimed Dr. Finn. We might conduct a trial in which we vaccinate rather than perform surgery in the hopes that the lesion will go away if we have excellent outcomes in terms of creating an immune response. According to Dr. Foldy, the study plans to start immunizing participants by the end of 2023. Emil Fernando, a breast surgical oncologist at Allegheny Health Network and assistant professor of surgery at the Drexel College of Medicine, who was not involved in the study, said the best estimates are that DCIS develops into invasive breast cancer 30% to 50% of the time. Given those percentages, it may not be required to treat DCIS aggressively in the majority of cases, but this is done since failure to do so could result in invasive cancer that is fully developed. He said that approximately 60% to 70% of all breast cancers begin in the duct, most likely with DCIS. In regards to the vaccination, he remarked, "The concept is incredibly exciting. This is very new, but it would really be everyone's dream to see the amount of cancer go down, if you can really stop it."
And there you have it, the captivating world of cancer vaccines unveiled. From their remarkable potential to stimulate the immune system against cancer cells to the inspiring stories of patients whose lives have been transformed, we've journeyed through an extraordinary realm of medical innovation. Remember, the landscape of science and medicine is constantly evolving, and the strides being made in cancer vaccine research are a testament to human ingenuity and dedication. If you found this video insightful and thought-provoking, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with those who might benefit from this knowledge, as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Let's remain hopeful for a future where cancer vaccines play a pivotal role in the fight against this devastating disease. If you want to stay updated on the latest advancements in medical science and healthcare, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you for joining us on this illuminating expedition. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and together, let's strive for a healthier world. This is the Medical Minute, signing off.